This is a quick video for beginners to fix something that confuses a lot of people: scaling shapes from the center in After Effects. If your shape grows in both directions when you resize it, don't worry. This is very simple. Create a new composition. We'll keep the standard YouTube settings. First, create a shape by right-clicking in the timeline window, go to New and then Shape Layer. Now the layer is created, but there is no shape yet, so go to the toolbar, click on the shape icon, and choose the shape you want to create. We will choose rectangular. Go to the composition window and then click drag and release to create your shape. Now go back to the timeline, press S to open the scale property, and disable the little link icon next to scale. Now you can adjust the width and height individually. The next step to adjust only one side of the rectangle is to move the anchor point. Go to the composition window, press Y, then drag the anchor point to one of the four corners depending on the direction you want the shape to grow. Hold down Control while doing this so it snaps into place. Now, when you change the width or height of the shape layer, it will increase or decrease in only one direction, clean and controlled. If this saved you some time, subscribe. One quick tip like this every week. Next, how to build a progress bar in After Effects. That's where this technique really starts to matter.